Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Feel free to join the family by clicking the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back. Bye honey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to another episode of Good Vibes. So without wasting any time, Aria Wena, roll my intro. So as you can tell by the title below, today we are going to be talking about, or rather, today we'll be addressing the elephant in the room being the country, the room being Earth currently. So we're going to be talking about the reality of unemployment and how unemployment can really affect you and how you can overcome it. And this is free advice that no one will ever tell you, that I wish I had heard before going through that phase alone and dealing with it on my own. But anyways, without wasting any time, please grab your rich people juice and let's get right into the video. Cheers. Oh, so guys, as we all know that unemployment is something that can really affect you negatively if not handled properly and taken care of, So I just wrote the points down so that I don't forget. There are a few main points that I want to point out that I wish I knew before. But anyways, let's get right into the video. And I hope this video will help someone out there to probably know that it gets better with time. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you're going to want to know is that you have to adjust your mindset. You have to adjust your mindset to the phase of life in which you are in. Like if you are currently going through something, adjust your mindset to that point in your life, because that is the only way you're going to get through it. If you tell yourself that, okay, dude, we're in this situation, there's no way, there's no backing out, there's no going over it, under it, around it, we have to get through it. So you need to tell your mind that I'm going through this right now, and feed yourself with positive thoughts. Don't give yourself like self-pity, because that is going to really bring you down and discourage you in a lot of ways, and you're going to feel really bad for yourself, and that's not what we want for you. So your mindset is everything. You are not a failure just because things haven't worked out according to your timeline that you set for yourself. You're not a failure just because your certain goals are not working out according to plan. Honestly, just tune your mind to be very positive and to see things how you would want them to be. What you feed yourself is what you get out. You feed negativity, you have an outcome of negativity. You feed positivity, your outcome will be positive. So your mindset is everything. Second point is you are more than enough. You are more than enough. If no one told you today, if no one has ever told you, hear it now. You are more than enough. You didn't go to university for 4 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years. You didn't repeat modules for you to come and feel pity for yourself because of unemployment. No ways that's happening. You are more than enough, and I just wish more people would realize that and know that, like, don't look down on yourself just because things are delaying. Unemployment is not the end of the world. It doesn't mean it won't come your way. You just have to be positive, soldier on, and believe in yourself. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Whew, this one. It took me a while. It took me a while to also understand that patience is it's a virtue. It's very important. The whole outward mobility that, by 20 I want to buy a house, by 25 I should have my dream car, by 30 I should have my perfect little family. Guys, honestly, nowadays with a lot of things that are happening around the world, that's almost impossible. Now, don't come for me in the comment section. I'm not saying it's not possible. I just mean if you put it like you want to achieve it at a certain period of time, it's really getting harder. Yeah, it's getting harder to achieve when you want. It doesn't mean you won't. Yeah, it may seem impossible for now, but it's all in your mind. That's what I'm trying to say. It's all in your mind. It's what you tell yourself that you're going to put out, exactly like I mentioned. And if you follow people on social media who are putting pressure on you who are always uploading their dream houses at 19, uploading the marriages at 23, you know, the dreams that you had wanted for yourself, or maybe at 40 they now bought a whole what, and you just know how social media can be, guys. If you feel like those people are putting extra unnecessary pressure on you, feel free to unfollow them, block them, and like, it's no hard feelings. It's just that every time you come across those posts, they inflict some negative pressure on you. So I'm not saying unfollow for negative purposes. No, it's purposes that are going to benefit you. And if following them motivates you and inspires you, then so be it. Have an elastic skin. A skin and a heart that is strong enough to accept rejection, because note that while you're unemployed, you are currently in a state of applying to jobs everywhere. You know, you drop an application there, you drop an application there, and you're waiting for a response. Be strong enough to accept rejection, because you don't know what's coming your way. They will say no. When now you think, I'm an A student, I was a top 3 in my school, you know, they can't reject me. Then they reject you. If you don't have the emotional intelligence to accept that rejection, it's going to eat you and get the best of you. Make sure you have a hard heart and just be woke, stay woke, be emotionally intelligent, because things will not always go your way. You'll apply to the best hospitals. The requirements will be there and you'll meet all of them, but it just wasn't your job and it just wasn't yours. So yours is not to stress and beat yourself up. Yours is to accept reality, suck it up, and move on like the big girl or the big boy that you are, and move on and know that all things work together for good. So yeah, and always be aware that high grades don't mean anything in the adult world. High grades literally don't mean anything. Experience does. So before you get out of university, before you are going to look for employment, make sure you get as much experience as you can, because that is what is going to help you out there. Not your high grades, not where you schooled, not your origin of degree. It's going to be experience. That's one thing I wish I had known earlier. Experience is going to help you go a long way. And the next thing you're going to want to do is pray for a healthy working environment, because there's no way that you're going to pray for a job and God gives you the job, but in that job you are not happy. Because why? Toxic working environment. Because why? Nagging boss. Because why? Toxic colleagues and workmates. Pray for a healthy working environment, guys. I think that's just self-explanatory. Pray for a working environment. And be reminded that success, the real success, is about accepting the stage at which you are at in life. Success is all about inner peace and accepting that God put you in a certain situation or in a certain place for you to grow out of that situation, for you to pick yourself up and be the big person that He wants you to be. You understand? God can't just put you in a situation that He knows you won't get out of. God cannot do that. He's not that type of God. He's not that kind of God. So always, yeah. And the last thing you're going to want to do is to stay positive. Be optimistic no matter what, guys. Unemployment can really get the best of you. Stay optimistic, and you know you got this, you know. So to everyone out there who is stuck in a phase of unemployment, who is stuck in a phase of like school is not moving, the years are not moving, this COVID feels like it's slowing you down, soldier on and keep on pushing. You're doing great so far. If no one has told you, I will tell you. And no matter how long it takes to reach your destination or your destiny, you will get there someday. Never give up. Cheers. It's not the end of the world if you're stuck in a phase of unemployment. Continue dropping those applications. Continue drafting that CV. The right job will come to you at the right time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.